Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday, last trading day of the week. Welcome to the VIP Zoom Live. I'm your host, Zen Trader. If you'd like to check us out, come on in. Link is in the chat. Come on in, come on in. And if you are first time here to this channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, let you know when we do go live, okay? Monday through Friday, we do look at penny momentum movers stocks from 7 to 8:30. And if you want to come in and join me in our VIP, hit the Discord link. We'll navigate through that, and that will get you to the VIP section. Okay, thank you so much. And now that is out the way, let's look for some momentum movers. Some momentum movers. And UKK was on the list. Let's do this here. Some momentum movers. Okay. We got another break here. We got another break here. And UKK. And UKK. There's one right here. So wait till see if it could get up there. 32. And we got the top here. 32.30. 26. $26.40. $6.40. This was at 66 at one point. Mm-mm. Good morning, good morning. Lynn Zender, good morning. Scanning here, I'm scanning. Scanning here, energy stock. ZEO looks good here. Continue to make new highs. All right. ZEO. $434. Got some support here. Got some support on VWAP and then bounce through VWAP, right? There's 390. Watch that level. Over the top here. Just over the 70 RSI. Got to get over that 434 on ZEO here, this energy stock. How we doing this morning? Woo! Let me get this. Let me get this. Let me get this on here. It's cold, 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 cold. Sunrise at 7:20. All right. RIVN. So keep an eye on ZEO right there. Let me put this on this other screen here. To the downside here on NVO. NVO to the downside now, right? NVO. There's nothing holding it down here, right? Except for this level here, right? It's the last one here. Underneath this level here. And here we are. Okay. Okay. So it's down here. Trying to find some support down here. We're way below the 30 RSI. So we'll watch this thing here at 81.50 if it's gonna come back up, right? 81.50, big resistance there. 81.50. And we breaking down, so we going down right now. Let's see. 79.80. 79.90 down here. So watch this here. Trying to bounce off this level here. NVEO. And as you could see, pretty much steady across, right? Pretty steady across here. Last line of defense down here. Once you break here, it's gone, pretty much. I don't see anything else for quite some time. So steady, just going across here. Okay. So I'll keep an eye on this here. Keep an eye on this. NVEO. NVEO. I'll put this on my other screen here. I'll put that on your watch list. Okay. There's so much of them out there right now. NUKK. I'll keep eye on NUKK. Got another level here that needs to be broken. There's one right here, which is getting rejected, right? There's one right here on NUKK at this 29 here. Okay. NUKK. I wanna see it right here. Oof. NUKK. Big spread on this one here. Okay, gonna wait a little bit because I missed that entry. Missed that entry. I'll wait here. Missed that entry. Watch that NVOO. NUKK. I missed that initial bounce right there, so I gotta wait. Wait if I'm gonna jump on this here real quick. NVO, check that as well. 81.40 spiked up there. Well, how to avoid that? You got to be patiently and don't jump into the stock right away, right? You got to watch the stock get developed, right? You know, again, it's very different on the momentum penny stock because most of these are pump and dump, right? Go for instance, like let me look at something else to show you again. You see how I had to wait here? I missed that initial pop right there. I could have hit that pop at this level and took care of that. So now I have to wait to see if it get built up because look at the 70 RSI. It looked like it wants to reject it, right? And now you have another candle that breaks it, okay? So now I got to wait to see if it breaks here. My stop loss is underneath the VWAP. If it does come back down, if I enter here, right? And that would be just my protection. I won't give it more than that, okay? So I needed to break here, this 30.50 for more upside and hopefully get that 32, okay? Anything above that, we golden on this one. Here it goes, right? We building, okay? Now, if I had gotten where I wanted to get in here, I'll definitely could have came out with the right share size, right? So all you do is just watching that get built up. It's showing some resistance here. See, rejected, rejected, right? The chart would tell you, okay, what the stock it wants to do. Here we get rejected here, 1, okay, 2, 3, right, 4, 5, okay, 6. How many times, right? So that is telling you how many times this stock get to this level and got rejected. It break through what? Once. It spiked through and pulled back. So it got rejected at this level. Okay. So if I'm going to take it now, I'll take it through there. I missed this one right here. See this one right here? This level right here. I missed this one right here. That's the one I wanted. Okay, but I missed it. I'm not going to chase it, get in late. I want to wait till the next one. And the next one would be this one right here. Okay. So while looking at that one, let's go to NOV and see what's up with that one. And NVO. And at the high of the day, that's a possibility. This stock could go to the high of the day, right? So it's saying, okay, I came down here. I could get back up here today. If not, if it doesn't get back up at the high of the day, if it doesn't get up at the high of the day, then so what? It's never going to get there because you got some resistance here and it's going to go down or either stay in this channel here and then break down. it's got to do one of two things. Continue to break up, right? Break down, okay? Or stay in a channel and go sideways, okay? Maybe that is one of three things, okay? Break the resistance, go higher, hit higher today. Break down and go to the short side, or stay in this channel area here and go sideways until it readies to break higher. This game is just being patient, man. It's a patient game, okay? Just remember, it's a patient game. Thank you. I appreciate that. So watch that one there at 30.50. Okay. Just haven't decided what it wants to do. Okay. And UKK is the same thing, right? Through this level here. ZEO, ZEO, break to the short side on ZEO. ZEO broke to the downside, broke that level there, right? So the next level for the short, we got another level here. We've got one there too, but let's wait to see what it's going to do. Okay. Bring that up here. And then we'll bring that up here. Bring that up there. TGL. TGL. There's some resistance here. All right. TGL. Got to get over the top there, right? It breaks through this level here to the upside, right? Oh, man. There, yeah, there we go. And just be patient. I'm looking at so many different screens, try to get those for you. We got VWAP here. So anything over this 36 cents here, nice break to the upside now, getting rejected, right? And UKK. And UKK. And UKK. All right, just want to let you know, broke out. So that's the next one. And UKK. PGL. TGL. So watch this one here. in between this level here. Fucker. Fucker. Uh, Beautiful break on NUKK. Beautiful break on NUKK. And she's running. NUKK. Beautiful break. Beautiful break on NUKK. Bitcoin is over 102. NUKK. She's a runner. Target the top here. NUKK. You got it. NUKK. NUKK. The winner. The winner this morning on NUKK. 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 Woohoo. NUKK. NUKK. Good. TGL, next one. Nice runner, NUKK. Next one to keep an eye on. Let's see what we could do with TGL. TGL, TGL, TGL. Come on, come on, come on. We got to pull back in TGL. That is correct. That is correct. That is correct. You got this. Absolutely. Absolutely, buddy. I'm trying to post here. That's why I haven't put my line yet, but you got it. NUKK was great. Showing some resistance there, right? Showing some resistance there. Share the live for me as well. And again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you know when we go live. Okay. NUKK, that was one of our bangers this morning here. Definitely hit on that one. Let's see if TGL could get up a little bit. We don't need much. We don't need much. This one is slow. TGL, slow. This one was good. And UKK, that one was great, buddy, and still running. Okay. See that top that we talked about? That was the ultimate goal. And now, bam, heading for the top. And UKK, that was the one. I'm getting trouble here on this resistance level here. Got rejected, coming back down. We just needed to break this level over the 85 on the RSI, but seems like we're having trouble there on that one right there. NUKK. Well, I was looking at this candle to break. As you could see, this is where I want to break through. I get in before it breaks. And if it doesn't break, then I have my stop loss. Okay. So I was in on this candle here, this green candle. And then the next candle broke and create a high and then pull back. So now I just got to wait. It's just the volume is not in it right now. We need some volume to pick up for it to go higher. As in, as the big difference here in this one, and go to NUKK. Look at NUKK. Look at the volume. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, higher day, right? Even if you had gotten this on the higher day, it pulled back, right? Next candle, open up, break it again, pull back to the same level. Next candle, pull back again, and right now it started to run, okay? So you never know. You just got to be ready for it as it building. And NUKK is the one right now. I missed it, so I'm not going to chase it, right? I let it go, and then I wait for a reversal, and then I attack it there if I like to trade it to the downside. Okay, but for right now, NUKK is the winner out of the four stock out of ZO, TGL, and NVEO right now. Okay, so that was the winner. Okay, so on this one here, resistance. I'll be out on this one right here, okay? Because it's not going up, it's coming down. So to tighten that loss there, and UKK was the winner. Woo! See, once you miss it once, I don't chase, okay? If I miss it once, I don't chase. You got to be quick with these stocks here. So here, we're right here on top of the VWAP. So I'll be out. I'll be out. Not giving it anymore, right? I'll be out. I'll be out on that one. I cut that loss instead of giving it more back. That's that, right? But keep eye on that. Keep eye on that. The next one is NVEO. Mm, NVEO at that level. So that big candle break and then pull right back, right? Watch that level there. I got an alert on coin. Coin over the top here. Coin over the top here. Coin. I got my own watch list, my watch list where I get all these stock at. I've been watching these stocks. I have over maybe 4,000 stocks that I have on my watch list. I've built this list over the 8 years that I've been trading. 293, 291, 90, 292. Coin, coin. Coin would have to build over this 292 area here. Good morning, Rob. How you doing this morning?
Good morning.
We here. Working today?
It's Steve. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Are you working today? Ooh,
No, it's not a busy day.
oh, okay. Okay. So wait till 293 here now on coin. Wait for 293 on coin and see where we break here on coin.
Okay.
We got Bitcoin raising. Bitcoin needs to break 103 for this coin trade to work. We had a runner in NUKK. We got some resistance on NVO at 81.50. And then we got a resistance on TGL at 36 cents. Using some VWAP support there.
Okay. Let me try logging in.
ZEO coming down to the short at $3.40. Coin TGL. Okay, TGL. 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 At least 80%. 80%.
GL.
Yeah, TGL. Now you
What
could get
is
stop loss right underneath here. You're only gonna give it I only give it $100 loss, okay?
mm-hmm.
Nothing more than that. Now we need to crank it up. We missed a beautiful one this morning on NUKK.
Okay. Looks like you got something else also. FTAI. What is that?
Yeah,
What?
FTAI was a stock that got bricked down the other day, man. It was horrible. I just grabbed a little bit down at the bottom there. It got broken down the other day.
Mm,
At this rip here to the downside. I mean, it gave it up. Look at this rip to the downside here.
mm,
Look at that. It broke this level here on yesterday, 2 days ago. It broke this level here. That was it after that, right?
correct.
And
Yeah.
it was dumped. I mean, it dumped. Look at that. Dump, dump. I traded a couple times, but it dumped all the way down, man. Look at that. All the way to $91.50.
Mm,
So I got it at this level here on the way back up.
cool. Good. So,
That was me right here. And I
so
wrote it up, took partial out, and now it's sitting all over here right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So in your trading strategy, you will not jump in unless it breaks the level and
Oh
it holds.
yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not jumping on it until it breaks. Right. I mean, I could get in following one of the candles, but I want to see it break those levels first. I'd like to
Yeah.
see the stock break resistance. Okay.
Okay.
If it touches several times, I know it's gonna come back. And if it doesn't come back, it's gonna go the other way, right?
Yeah.
That's only the two choice, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the other thing that you got to do is just be patient and wait for it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Okay.
I don't. Sometimes I don't do that. Sometimes I
Yeah.
just.
Like if I missed the NUKK today. I missed it. I wasn't gonna chase it. I missed the trade. I missed the trade. Today I was here. It pulled back. I gave it my stop loss. I was out of 100. And now here it is again. I'm up
Yeah.
60
TGL.
bucks.
TGL is going to break.
Yeah. So we don't need much. I mean, you could do several of these a day, right? Sometime when it runs, you get big wins. If it doesn't run, I mean, it doesn't run. You take what it gives you, right?
Yeah.
There's nothing holding this up here. It could go wherever it wants to go. We don't know. It could come here, get rejected, and pull right back down. Again, we have our stop loss in. Ready.
All right.
I mean, on a stock like this, 20,000 shares, right? 10,000 shares, 5,000 shares will get you there, right?
Yep.
As long as it doesn't break through the VWAP, we have a good chance of this going up. If it comes back to the VWAP, okay, that's it. We're done. Could have you took that 68 bucks and run? You could have. There's nothing wrong with that. That was a quick trade. Boom, bam. You're done. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Sometimes I lack the discipline because of working and not paying attention.
Right. Right. And I look at so many screens like I miss some of the trades sometimes because I'm looking at so many different variables.
That's where the alert comes into play. Sometimes I don't set up the alerts.
Right.
How's SPY looking? Ah, not good. What
Don't take the
hours?
trade, Lindsay. How do you avoid falls out? Don't take the trade.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. If you don't want to take it, don't take it. Those are the decisions you have to make. It's do you want to take it or not? That's what it's boiled down to, right? So if I get to this resistance here and I said, okay, man, it looks good. Do I want to take it? I got to make the decision to take it or not to take it. It's one or the other. And if I make the decision that I'm going to take it, I got to have my stop loss ready if I'm going to make the decision to take it. If I'm not going to take it, then I don't worry about it. I move on, go to something else, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once I'm in a trade, right, like right now, I'm not going to move away from it because sometime I move away from it and then I like to control. I don't like to put that trailing stop loss. I don't like to put all of that with my trades. Okay. I
Okay,
like to initiate it myself. Okay.
got it.
So a lot of times people ask, why don't you put a trailing stop loss? I have it My fingers on the mouse. I'm ready. My quantity is ready. It's set up. It's ready to go. Okay. If I'm going to take 3/4 out or I'm going to take the whole thing out, it reached the price point that I want it to go to. And that's it. It could go to the moon after that. It doesn't matter. I'm not waiting for it to go to the moon. I'm waiting for it to hit my target level and then that's it.
Okay, got it.
Right, it doesn't work. Oh, 8 o'clock. Woo. That 8 o'clock bump. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Look at that 8 o'clock candle there. Look at that 8 o'clock candle.
Mm-hmm.
Wowee, wowee. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it doesn't work at all.
Yeah, it's going down. I see.
Well, it's right here. That would have to come right down here to the bottom for that to be that candle here. But it's right here, sitting above here. That's a big candle. Forgot about that 8 o'clock spike there. And again, you have your stop loss there. Yeah, only in market order. Pre-market, you just got to go in and out, in and out. And again, if you don't want to lose that trade, you could be out right here. You could be out right at your entry, right? And you didn't lose
Yes.
anything.
Correct. And you can re-enter.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's what I would do right here.
It's down.
Initiate. And I could always adjust it, which I like on Webull here. I bring that down there. See, boom. I didn't really lose anything on that trade. Okay.
Mm.
But at
Yeah,
least I attempted, boom. It didn't work. It came back. Now I could still do the same thing, right? Enter, put the stop loss. Let's wait again or wait for the top for 40 cents, right?
correct.
Or that's it. Or finish with this trade here because it's not giving me what I want, right? So I'll move on to something else. Okay. So those are the things that you could do, right? It's not giving you what you want at the moment. You take the trade, you back out at your entry, and you didn't lose anything. Okay. If
Okay.
I wait for the stop loss, then I would be out probably another $100. Okay. And
Okay.
again, you come out of it, there's nothing wrong with that because you didn't lose anything, right? Look at that. Look the way this candle is operating now, and now it's breaking through the 70 RSI. Okay?
It's at the VWAP, right? It's going to the
Yeah,
VWAP.
it's at the VWAP, right? So it's undecisive right now. Okay? See? Boom. So my decision of getting it out right there, that was perfect, right? On that one,
Mm-hmm.
because it's undecisive right now, right? And then here we're showing that is the resistance. So if it's going to go higher, it's going to go above this 39 cents. right?
Correct.
So shaking out these people here.
So now you will still wait for it to go above 39, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Or wait for this candle to finish. We got what, 11, 10 seconds, and see where the next candle open at. It's going to open below, or it's going to open above this level here. Okay, bam. That candle is going to finish in 1 second. Right here. Look at that. Right here. And we could get that pump up, but I still don't trust it because it's underneath the 70 RSI, right? I need it above, right?
Okay.
We need it above. And for it to break above that, right, you need to break 76.50 on the RSI. And right now I don't see it. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
And again, these momentum stocks are like that. Okay. That's the only thing. These momentum stocks are like that. Either you grab it or you don't grab it. It's a quick in and out. I could have took that 60 bucks and be done with it. We grab it. We got that from it. It didn't move, and move on to the next one, and so on, and keep going and keep going.
Okay.
We got another one here.
What is a downside RSA entry? I know for calls you do 70, for
Uh,
short you look below 50 RSI.
um, yeah, you could look below 50 and 30 as well. Below the 30 RSI and below the 50 RSI. So if it's halfway, right, the stock is going down, I'm looking for it to break the 50 RSI towards the 30, and I could take a trade from 50 to the 30 RSI. And then after that, it's gone, right? It's gone. So that's how I work the RSI, and that's just one of my tricks that I use, the 70, the 50, and the 30. I really don't do anything else. And looking at TGL, the momentum wants to go to the upside, but we're having some resistance at this level here. Okay. It's just very choppy. Look at ZEO. Same thing. And see, wants to break, but got rejected up there, right? Hmm. This is a ETF here, right? Very choppy. All right. Wow. Look at Intel. Intel is running right now.
Why?
Intel running right now. It's a great break here. Quick grab and go here. Quick grab here. Grab. And pull back down to fill, right?
Yeah.
Pull back down and fill. See, those are the breakthrough to 70 that you want to get, right? Bam. Good. There's resistance up here on INTC. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. One more pump. Boom. I mean, didn't stay long enough up there to pop it out, right? Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. The SPY is running. Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. One more. How many? 2 minutes? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Show your face. Come on. There you go. Come on. One more. There you go. Take a partial out. There you go.
Cool. Nice.
Nice. Right? Let the rest run, right? It could come back to my entry and I'll be out that 50. That's it. Let the rest ride, right? Boom. If it comes back to my entry, I could be out of that. And then it could do what it needs to do, right? Bam.
Yeah.
Why giving me 86 though? See, that's the only thing I don't like. Say 2086. So it's at 2086. Done with it right there. See? VWAP. That's it, right? Good trade. Boom, it's done. It's over. Now on the way back up, this is where I'm going to look, right? Boom. And then the target would be right here. If it comes back up, right? Bam.
Yeah.
Entry 20, boom, out. This would have been my stop loss anyway, right? But that's it. The SPY ran. Oh my goodness, the SPY ran. That was a great trade. All right. The other one should be watching is NUKK at this level here. Needs to break over the top here, right? And then we're going to do a short underneath that. So new long is here. And then new short is going to be underneath here. At VWAP, right? See what it does at VWAP. Up 77%. So put that somewhere on a monitor over there. Okay. Just building right now. And UKK above the 70 RSI. We get it over the 90, we good to go. All right. INTC, that was it. PRZO, let's PRZO broke. PRZO. $2 this morning. PRZO. PRZO is building. PRZO is building. Anything on the 230? So this about a 30-cent move here. And nothing holding it at the top here. So 250, right? So 250 needs to break 250 up here, right? As we go back, 260. This level here, 1230. So that's in December. It's got to break December levels. And then target it'd be right here. Up here. Going back to December levels, right? 1230. And then you got another one here. So if it's gonna go, it got to break these levels here from last year. That's the high there. So we got those levels. All the way back here. We're here. So we got to break this. We got that from last year, that from last year. Other than that, we're not doing anything. You need volume. And 8:30 candles are coming in the market. Okay, let's see what's going on. What's happening at 8:30 today? Today, the 16 initial jobs claims and no, hold on. Let me refresh that. That was yesterday. Building permits today. So that's coming out report. Building permits at 8:30. Let's see how that moves the market at 8:30.
Okay.
Nothing here. Let's go to VS. Let's hunt down some stuff here, see if we find anything. Nothing there. VS, nothing. Rejection on VS. See, rejection up here. VS, and then you got some support underneath this level here. So I like that even number here. Boom. $3. Right. $3. See what it does at $3 down. All right, and 380. Two. This is gone. That's it here. Let's see. INTC.
It's cranking up there. We got 2 minutes. Very choppy up there, right? There we go. Boom. Right? Yeah. It's getting
Oh,
up there.
yeah. The look away for a second, miss that entry there. Not saying you can't get in now, but it would have to pull back down here for me to get in again. And now you don't go with the same shear size, right? You go with a smaller shear size.
Correct.
You never want to go back again with the same amount to lose the same amount. You go small. So you make 600, you could risk 200. And then you have 400 in the bank. And you never want to lose that. So that's INTC. Now look at Apple. Look at Apple up here now. Apple. Then your stop loss will be here on Apple, right? Apple. We got 25 seconds. 6 minutes. 6 minutes for 8:30. What's gonna happen at 8:30? Welcome, welcome. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we're live. If you'd like to join us, come into our Discord. resistance on Apple right here.
It has to break 45, 230,
Yeah,
45.
yeah. Okay, gotta break that. BT. This is Bitcoin BTCT. BTCT. Oh, it's down here. BTCT. Reach the top. Bitcoin is pulling back down, but BTCT is running. Bitcoin digital. You need something else in this. This will rip your lining up.
It's a ginger shot. You want it? Took a little bit, that's enough.
No, I'll drink.
Ginger shot.
Resistance on BTCT. 585 short. Mm. Give me some water, please. There was a nice grab right here too at BTCT right here on the VWAP here.
Mhm.
It's a nice grab there, but in 3 minutes, I don't know what this retail is gonna be like, how it's gonna react to the market. So you gotta watch that. See how it pulled down here? We're above. We got 2 minutes. Built-in permits are coming in. Built-in permits at 8:30. Nice pullback. BMBL, BMBL, BTCS 320. Look at that pullback.
Mhm.
So if the VWAP is gonna break through this level here, right?
Apple is breaking.
Apple is good. Yeah, there you go on Apple. Apple 1 minute to 8:30. BTCT. So what a pullback on BTCT. Ace hand. GSIT. 8:30. 8:30. 8:30. 8:30. Wow, what a rip. What a rip. Come on. Come on, rip. Probably wait a few minutes. Apple broke. Bitcoin pulled down, nothing. Not as yet. Nothing yet.
No action in SPY.
Mm-hmm. SPY is way up there, 595. That's going to be a nice breakdown later on today.
To the up or to the down?
Yeah, nothing really happened at 8:30. PRZO.
Apple.
Apple is good. Did you took some of Apple?
Yeah, it made a small entry, 25.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great job. INTC is coming back to test that level again, but I don't trust it. Anything under 2040 on Intel, I'll like it to the short side on that. 2040 short. I like it short there. PRZO. VS.
Apple is coming to that resistance right there,
Yeah, nice.
3080.
Yeah. It's the top on Apple on that one. Good job. Good job on that. Great job. Great job. INTC. So I still could hold my position here too, right? On Intel.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'll go with a lesser. Got to get through there though. Great job on Apple. INN. Great job on Apple. Ha, ha, Rob, beautiful. What a trade on Apple.
Yeah.
Beautiful, buddy. Beautiful, buddy. Way to go. That's it. That's it. Great job. Great job. Take your profit there. Take some profit. Big win on the Apple. Big win on Apple. Let's go back to it. Big win on Apple, buddy. Big win on Apple. Way to take that. Beautiful. Great job. Now we've got some resistance up here, right?
Yeah.
More than enough. And then on the way back down, this is where you would challenge it back at the entry, right?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. Look like the SPY wants to hit 600 today.
Yeah. Good for my 401k.
Yeah. Look like it's gonna hit
Can you look Mara?
Mara. Absolutely.
It should
Mara.
break
It broke.
1925.
Yeah. It gapped up today. So So we have some resistance. We got a channel now, right?
Yeah,
So
it's in the
anything
channel.
underneath this 18 under 19. I'll trade it under 19. Under 19. Under 19. Okay. And anything over this 1930, right? So you're in a 30 cents you're in a 30 cents range right now, right?
Mhm.
And so 30 cents, you know that that's the range right now. 25, get out of these. These are old levels. Leave that there. Okay. $19.30. $19.30. Mara. So this is the channel right now with Mara, right? The overall channel. Let's see where Mara is. Mara been anywhere here? No. Let's go to daily. 34 is the high on Mara, right? Wow, Mara went as far as, wow. At $83 Mara, right? Went as far as 83.45. 85. So 34 is the high now. You got, she's right in between here. She already breaks, so the market hasn't opened yet. As soon as the market open, you'll update, right? So we're sitting right in between here with Mara right now, between this level here. So for it to get higher, we need over this. There's a gap here. I'll look at this gap level here. This gap is closed here, right? There's this gap being closed here. So there's a gap in between here, right? There's a gap right here. So I'm gonna look at this gap. Whenever it comes there, that gap there,
That gap will be a resistance, right?
and if it breaks through it, then we have an opportunity to trade it through that gap. But I'm charting this on the daily, so that's the gap. We'll label that blue there, right? So this is the gap, right? If it comes up here at any time, we'll have an opportunity at it. And it's way up here, right?
21.
Yeah. It's 21 level here. And through here, we'll trade it through here, bam. Close the gap, boom. That's it, 21 to 21.60. So that's about 60-cent move. That's more than enough. And then here. So this is for the future, right? We're looking at that level in the future. If it doesn't get there now, it's okay. And look, you got another gap here.
It is today's gap.
Yeah. That's today's gap, right? Anything below here and here short, you could take a trade at this level to the downside.
I don't think you can short Mara.
No?
No, you cannot short. At least in Think or Swim, I cannot short.
No. We'll see once the market open if we could short it. Apple, great trade on Apple here. Got bounced back on Apple. Intel got rejected at the 2075.
Look, SMCI, it looks like it's popping today.
SMCI,
It's a gap up, yeah.
SMCI. Nothing on ASMCI now. Big gap up on SMCI. Gotta be over this 3070, 3170, right? Some of these alerts here. 3170. And this is your channel. This is your channel. And you're not doing anything until we break one of these channels, right? You got to keep the trade simple. Don't make it complicated, right?
Mm.
I go to 40. I like even numbers. That's just the way I trade. You know, it's easier for me to let me see the 40. All right, so if I'm looking at SMCI, look at this channel, it's a gap up, right? It came down about a quarter of a way into the gap, and this is the overall gap here. All right. So this is the gap.
It looks like today is going to be a up market.
Yeah, the market is up right now, 596 the high, 596.43 is the high on the SPY. Okay. So definitely watch Apple test that level again one more time. 231.35. Okay, so that's on SMCI for today. Up, come down, fill the gap. You know, there's support here. So it would have to break this level to fill the gap to the downside. Okay,
Okay.
and that's up. Up. We got 31.84. That's about 14 cents from the 370, 31.70 to the top yesterday's high. Yesterday before market close, this level here. And then you got some resistance here too, so that's how I would do. That's how I would look at SMCI as of today. That's it. If it's not doing this, it's gonna do this or stay in between this channel here, right? Pre-market levels. Let's see if we could break that, break up or down. The market looks good. Pulled back a little bit a while ago. The Qs looks good. The Qs look good. Great trade on the QQQ to the upside. SENS. Sorry. Looking at those SENS. Is that nothing there right now? Nothing there right now. The high is 92. The high is 92. Right? This is how I would see what's going on here, right? This is the overall. That's where you want to be. It's in between here, no volume. No volume on this one here. 90. No, this is untradeable right now. I wouldn't even touch this right now. Nothing, no volume. No volume. I wouldn't trade this. Maybe later on when the market opens, see if we could find a good trend like this over here. In this stock here, SENS. I need to see something like this building. Right now, it's untradeable at pre-market numbers. So 92 and 80 cents, that's the range here, about 10 cents. We in this channel, a 10 cents channel right now. Okay,
Okay.
nothing on that. INTC, ace hand, VS, 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 nothing on VS. It would have to come to that VWAP, right? You could get a VWAP trade if it comes up towards the top of the 380. But other than that, I don't see anything yet. I don't see anything yet. Watch INTC. INTC. MSDR over 385.20. You got to watch 385.20 on MSDR. Intel. INTC on Intel broke again. So there you go. So now you got to
Yeah.
wait for the
I'm
21.
waiting
Yeah.
for 21.
Yeah. Got to wait for 21 now. Okay. That reversal on the QQQ is going to be nice too. Five 518, 518.70 on the Q on the reversal. 518.70. Beautiful. VS. INY.
INTC.
INTC, man. Yes, sir. INTC. She coming. ANY. There you go.
Cool.
Beautiful. Got a part of that?
Yeah, I got it.
Beautiful, buddy.
$100.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, buddy. Beautiful, man. Beautiful on INTC.
I'm out.
There you go. Great job. Great job. You could leave a little partial, you know.
Yeah.
Absolutely. But that was it. That was it. Great job. Great job.
Ooh.
That a
Ooh.
pullback there, a pullback, right?
Yeah. I got cool. Good trade.
Good trade.
Good trade. Good trade.
Yeah, absolutely.
Ooh,
So can you turn the captions on so I can hear you?
Yeah, there you go, bud. All right, nice trade. 21.56. Beautiful trade on that INTC. We got a little pullback there. Let's go to BTCT, see what that BTCT, that Bitcoin pullback on BTCT. So that was great. We waited, didn't happen. So now you got to wait for that 625 to break to the upside through that VWAP level. INTC, Apple, you got to wait for Apple at 231, 40, right? 231.40 on Apple. $231.40 on Apple on the next break. STBX. STBX. Let's go here. Hold on a minute here. Nothing there, nothing here. Nothing on STBX. Nothing on STBX.
look, Sophie.
SOFI. Sophie.
Sophie looks like
Got to get over that 1650 here.
yeah.
Yeah. I'll wait to see what it do at the 1655. Right? If it's going to break, it's going to get over the 1655 with volume, right? 1655. Create alert on 1655.
Yeah, because of yesterday's BAC, Bank of America's earnings, I think banks will go a little bit up.
Yeah, Bank of America was slow yesterday, but we got a little bit of trade on Bank of America yesterday. There's a gap here on Sophie. There's a gap right here in Sophie right here. Let's look at this gap here on Sophie. There's a gap here on Sophie. SoFi. SoFi. So anything underneath this gap fill to the downside, you could look at SoFi, right? Right now, 1655 would have to be a break to the upside. 1640 to the downside. That's where I would look at SoFi, 1640 short and 1655 long.
What about you can do black? Can you do black color or you can't use black in the
Black
game?
what?
I mean, and the trading one here.
Black what?
What black?
Like a black line or what you do, so
The
like
chart.
the chart.
The color.
The chart,
colors.
no. Black line you won't be able to see on my chart. Only if your background is white. You would have to go change your background screen to a different color.
Yeah, change your screen to a dark mode, so you should be able to see it.
Right? These are red, green. So if your background on your chart is white, you should be able to see the colors. Okay. In 5 minutes, I'll be able to switch over to my VIP. So in 5 minutes, I'll be switching over to the VIP where we trade from 9 to 12. Okay. So in 5 minutes, the penny momentum movers will disengage and we'll be live in our private VIP. Have to wait till 9:30. Yes, yes, ACN. 9:30 when the market open. ZEO, let's look at ZEO. We were watching this morning, ZEO. Let's see where it's at. No, nothing yet. Nothing on ZEO. We're right in this range here.
Hello.
Yo. ZEO. Nothing on ZEO. VS, PRZO. PRZO, nothing. Let's see PRZO. Still waiting for PRZO at this level here. 260 for the upside and 230 to the downside on PRZO. Right now we're sitting above the VWAP. All right. Right. Sit. Watching Apple. Apple. AAPL. Apple. Watching Apple. Apple.
So give me a minute. I'm coming back. I'm going out with my dad. I'm coming back. Okay. Just don't kick me. Just wait. I'm muting myself.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch over to my other VIP so you could get that into the Discord there, okay? The penny momentum movers finish at 8:30. I just stay on a little bit longer here, but we're gonna switch over to the VIP. If you want to come in, you could do so. Here we go. 231.35 on Apple. The futures is running. Woo! The futures is running. It's going to be a good market is up. Watch the SPY on their 595.60 to the short side. $595.60. Look like the SPY wants to get up to 600 today. Okay, Rob, I'm gonna sign off on this one. I'll see you over in the other one, okay?
Okay, all right.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for stepping in today. Welcome back. Always remember, have a great weekend. Always remember this, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live. Okay, thank you so much. See you back again on Monday. If you'd like to come into our VIP live, just hit the Discord. Come on into the Discord link. It's in the chat here, and it's also in my bio on YouTube. And that will get you access to all the links that we have. And check out our ZenZoneStore.com for merches and gift items. I appreciate you. Thank you. Have a great weekend.